Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how to design a citation. Yes, so grab your search button, type citation, search. So you see a lot of templates, citation templates that you can use for your design. Yes, so let's take this one. When you type and then it come to this interface, tap on edit design. So when you tap on edit design like this, so the next thing is to now start your editing. Yes. So you can change the logo. So tap on the logo and then tap on replace. So I'm going to use this logo. Tap on it and then tap add selected. So you have to crop it well. So when you crop it well like this, tap on apply. So you have to resize it. Resize it like this and take your text tool. Take your text tool. If you want to write a new text, so come and tap here, the plus sign here, where they've written art. This one. Yes. So tap on that one. Then you tap on text. Tap on text. Then tap on play text. So you can write what you want. I'm going to write the church name. So you can change the color of the text. So tap on fill here, fill. Tap on fill. Then tap on color. See the black? Tap on it. Then you change the color to any color you want. I want white, so I'll take it to white. So when I'm done with this, I'll have to change the font. So tap on font. Then you check the type of font you want to use. So you go through. There are a lot of font there you can use. So I'm going to use this one. Yes. So I'm going to reduce the size, and then I'll put it here. Put here like this. Here I will change the image of the person. So I will tap on it and tap on replace. You can even see they've written replace here. Yes. So just tap on that one, replace. Tap on my uploads. Then you look for your picture, the one you want to use. Then you tap on the picture. So tap on the picture and then add it. So you can resize it and then apply. So that is it. So let me crop it. Let me crop the picture. So you come and tap on crop here. Come and tap on crop. And then can so that is it. So you can change the name of the person. Tap on the name, then tap on text. Clean the name and write the person name. Then you have the person's name there. Then the right type. So you have to change the right type. So tap on it and then tap on edit. Then you paste your right type there. Boom. So that is it. That is it. And then this one you change this one. So bishop equal. So I will change it. For Toma. Toma. Then so that is it. You see, very simple. You see, very simple. You have, that's very simple. You have your citation designed. So when you are done with this, tap on the saving button. So when you're done with everything, you tap on the saving button, then tap on download. It is downloading. It is downloaded. A file is downloaded. So that is it. Very simple and beautiful citation design. Thank you for watching. Remember to subscribe, turn the notification bell, like the video, and then you can put your comments at the comment section for any clarification, any question you want to ask, and what anything you think about the app or you think about the video, you can let me know at the comment section. Thank you for watching. Let's meet next time.